Rockers on Shock Rock.
I never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it
With a large 6.5-inch LED, the clock is bright and clear from across the room. Of course, the dimmer lets you adjust the brightness from 0 to 100%. The Rocam CR1008 alarm clock is so simple to use. Clearly labeled options make it fast and easy to set your time and alarm, turn your alarm on, and choose its volume, and even quickly set your time format between 12 and 24 hours. You can even pause your alarm when the snooze isn't enough. With the colorful nightlights, your kids will never be afraid to sleep alone. Choose from these 7 beautiful colors. With backup battery power, you'll never lose track of time or oversleep. With 2 USB ports, you can even charge your phone while you sleep. The Rocam CR1008 alarm clock is covered with a 12-month warranty, so you can rest easy.
Nowadays, the home security market is highly competitive, and users' demand for function is becoming more and more abundant.
Himvision Alarm Clock is designed to help you arrange daily schedule. Featuring a built-in sound sensor, the digital clock will light up when you gently tap the bedside table. It allows you to get 2 separate alarms if you have different time schedules with your families. More than 13 ringtones can be selected, brightening up your day. It has an excellent battery life and fits in your suitcase in journey.